Hello everyone! I don't know how it's better in your country, but in my country it's super hot now. So today I'm gonna show how you can make delicious fine dining version of gazpacho at home. This cold soup is perfect for these hot days, so I recommend you to try it at home. So let's don't waste time and get started. So let's start with the soup. First, I will need cucumber. So I will peel it, take the middle out and cut small pieces. Middle part and peeling I will keep on the side for later. Next is red bell pepper. So I will take the seeds out and I will cut it as well. In the gazpacho have to be tomatoes as well, so I just clean them and cut them to smaller pieces. Now I need one garlic, so I will peel it and chop it roughly and mix it with the rest. Last vegetable will be shallot, so I chop it and put it in as well. Now is coming in tomato juice, red wine vinegar, olive oil, season it with salt and pepper, and last thing is fresh basil. I mix everything and I'm gonna leave it inside the fridge overnight to marinate. Next day, I'm gonna put vegetable inside the blender and blend it properly. Pass it through the chinois and my gazpacho is done. Next thing I'm gonna do is cucumber gel. So I put cucumber trimmings with more cucumbers inside the blender, season it with lemon juice, sugar, salt and pepper, and blend it properly. Then I will pass it through the chinois and bring it to boil. Now is coming agar in, cook it for few minutes and leave it inside the fridge to set. You can put also a little bit of green coloring for better color like I did, but you don't have to. In few hours, I'm gonna cut it a little bit and move it inside the blender and mix it properly. And cucumber gel is done. Now it's time to start with dried tomatoes. So I will cut some cherry tomatoes in the half and put them on the tray. Season them with salt, pepper and garlic powder, and I'm gonna bake them around 90 degrees Celsius until they will be dry. Something like this. I have here more peppers, so I peel them first, take the seeds out, and I'm gonna cut small dices. And guys, if you enjoyed today's recipe, I will be happy if you hit the like button. And if you're still not subscriber and would like to see more recipes like this, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Season them with olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and they are ready for plating. I also need some garlic chips, so I'm gonna peel one garlic and slice it very thin. Next step is to fry it slowly inside the oil, and garlic chips are done. Last thing I need is one fresh cherry tomato. So I'm gonna cut it into quarters, season it with salt, and I'm ready for plating. I start with marinated bell pepper dices. Then are coming dried tomatoes with garlic. Few fresh cherry tomatoes. Cucumber gel. Crispy garlic chips. few small basil leaves, and finish it with cold gazpacho soup with green oil on the top. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking at home or get my one-on-one coaching, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.